My neighbor across the street used Kanga-Roof and highly recommended them, and they did a very nice job there. So I called and they were able to do it in my time frame. Went fine. We had very few problems. The roof was a little bit higher slanted than they were used to, so it took a little half a day longer.
Okay.
And everything worked fine. Well, my neighbor across the street highly recommended it. He actually went, I think, and visited your facility and was impressed with the education that was going on at your shop. And highly recommended when I needed it. Said, talk to them. And he was happy and I'm happy. That worked out very well. Timing was good. Did a good job of picking up the loose nails.